This is part of our collection. If there's anything you're interested in buying, let us know. 1870s Humber penny farthing with original paint. 1934 Rally Safety 7. We've been using this one a fair bit recently. 1953 Connaught. One of 14 made. 1927 AGS V Twin. We've put a fair few miles on this one this year. Pretty much one owner from new. Artwork by John Carter. 51 AMI jukebox. Stunning Ariel Square 4. 1923 Sunbeam V-twin JAP engine. Lovely trophy. Whitney steam car, described by the Veteran Car Club as possibly one of the most important cars in private ownership. If early cars are your thing, this one's 1896. B31 field bike. Genuine GPO Bantam. BSA Silver Star. Incredibly rare Bown. Export Bonneville. Sounds lovely. Two-inch Burrell, Thetford Town. And this is our Marshall. Another Bown. If you have anything for sale, please let us know, we'll be happy to hear. Keep watching this space, and I'll post another video shortly of more of our collection.